Oh, the vampire has sharp teeth, dear, and he shows them pearly white. Oh, he sleeps all day long, dear, but he comes out every night. Shoot, when that bat bites with his teeth, dear, scarlet billows, they never spread. 'Cause old Count Dracula is so thirsty that there's never a trace of red. In a coffin every morning lies a body, cold and still. But tonight, dear, he'll awaken, sure, and go out to drink his fill. In a castle in Transylvania, sure, lies our hero underground. But don't go near there after nightfall, 'cause old Drac is back in town. Oh, the Wolfman, he also lives there. He comes out every time he sees that moon. There's Frankenstein's monster and faithful Igor and the creature from the Black Lagoon. Every beast there, sure, they have a feast there. Ghosts and phantoms all hang around. That line, it forms on the right, dear. Now that Drachy is back in town. Stand back, old Drac is back, sure.